The 18th question is, shown in the figure is a rigid and uniform 1 meter long rod AB held in horizontal position by two strings tied to its ends and attached to the ceiling. The rod is of mass m and has another weight of mass 2 meter hung at a distance of 75 centimeter from A. The tension in the string we have to calculate, and the tension is A, and choose from the options given to us. Now let's move to the solution. And now we can see that the two ends of the rod are tied at points A and B and to the ceiling, and at equilibrium torque about any axis must be 0. Taking the torque about B, we have T into 100 centimeter is equal to mg into 50 centimeter plus 2 mg into 25 centimeter. So therefore the tension is equal to 1 mg. This is our solution, that is the third part.